Your business is more than just a paycheck. It's your legacy. But what happens to it is something happens to you. Without a solid estate plan, your family could end up in conflict. Your business could collapse, and all of your hard work could be lost. I'm Jennifer Nichols with J. Nichols Law. We help Texas families and business owners protect their future with the right estate planning strategies. Today, I want to talk specifically to Texas business owners. When you're building a company, you're not just planning for retirement. You're planning for the day someone else has to step into your shoes. If this is something you've been putting off, now is the time to take action. Would you like guidance tailored to your situation? Reach out to me and let's start the conversation. Let's say you have 1 or 2 children actively running the company with you. You may also have other children who are not actively involved in the company. If you have enough assets in the estate, it makes the most sense to leave the business to the children who are actively involved in the business. The other children can receive equalizing distributions from the remaining assets. That way, the child who's been working hard to grow the business gets the business itself. The other children are compensated fairly through cash, property, or other assets. Another option is creating a family limited partnership. Ownership can be divided among your children, but control remains with a specific manager or group. This can work well if you want every child to share in the profits, but it needs to be structured carefully. This can be especially helpful for families who want to preserve the business as a shared asset while still having a clear decision maker in place. Some families choose to place the business in a trust. The trust ensures the profits are split fairly among all the children. The business is either placed in trust during the business owner's life or upon his or her death. Upon the death of the business owner, one child becomes the trustee and manages the day-to-day operations of the business. Now, what if you don't own the business alone? If you have a partner or co-owner, a buy-sell agreement is critical. These agreements set up a fair buyout price in advance. That way, if you pass away, your business partner is not required to run the company with your children or a trustee. This helps avoid a situation that often creates tension. Instead, the surviving partner buys out your share. Your estate, usually your spouse or your kids, receives the value of your ownership in cash or in other assets. It keeps everything clean and fair for both sides. And finally, don't forget to plan for incapacity, not just death. If your business is a corporation, you can designate your children or other trusted people as directors or officers. This way, if something happens to you, somebody can step in immediately. If your business is an LLC, you designate this trusted person or persons as managers. Without this, your business could be left in limbo, unable to make decisions or sign contracts. That can cause real damage to the business you worked so hard to build. Estate planning as a business owner isn't just about dividing assets. It's about protecting your life's work and making sure it continues in the right hands. Smart estate planning options include leaving the business to the children who are active in it with equalizing gifts to others, using family limited partnerships or trusts, and putting buy-sell agreements in place. These strategies can help protect your business legacy and give your family peace of mind. If you own a Texas business and don't yet have a plan in place, let's talk. I'd love to help you create a plan that works for you, your business, and your family. Reach out today to schedule a consultation.